session is all about delving deep and disseminating information around the courses offered by us in collaboration with Taxmann, which is Tax and Accounts Professional Foundation Level course and Tax and Accounts Professional Advanced Level course.
Learners can understand it. It is all about learning tax, accounts, corporate law, in short, compliances. So then I tell that these are the rules you have to follow. When you are into business or when you are doing a job, there are multiple things which you have to do from day one and which are recurring every day. There are lots and lots of regulations in India. There has to be a proper dedicated course जो सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ लेके students को वो skill दे so that they can become capable, they can become employable for the industry is what our vision, that is Taxmann vision was.